Here's what we're making. We're going to put the water slide on it. The water slide is exactly what it says. This is going to be, it's like a decal. You wet it for, I don't know, a minimum of 15 seconds until it starts to slide off. This is a pretty big image, so you can kind of feel once it starts to get wet. The surface of my plate is dry. Okay, I can feel this is starting to come off, and there we go. And here's the water slide going on. I'm going to put it right in the middle. And then we're going to start in the middle and squeegee out the bubbles and the water. And you can use anything. I've used credit cards, I've used spatulas. You can use anything you want to squeegee. And then part of the way through, I just get a towel and start drying it off so I can see that we're getting rid of all the bubbles and wrinkles. So you don't want any of that. It's so easy to do, guys. Then what we're going to do is let this dry on here for 24 hours. And then we're going to bake it in a 350 oven because it's ceramic. I'm going to bake it. If you see any wrinkles or anything, just smooth them out gently. And eventually you're going to want to hand wash this. You can't put it through a modern day dishwasher because it's just the sanitize cycle is just too hot. See, easy, easy, easy peasy. Life is what you bake it. All right, we're gonna let this sit for 24 hours and I'll be back to you. Bye.
Please subscribe to our YouTube channel and remember to hit the little bell button so you'll be notified of all new tutorials. Thanks, everyone.